lang, hintay, bata video na.
Report. So is the rule number six and seven is rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams and observe traffic management measures. So likely sa yung tabon yun siya usually in cities areas because of the vehicles. So daghan yung mga banto mga motor vehicles. So in order for you to prevent the traffic jams, so simple na lang yun, bumintag na yung dalag or magsayo. So visit na kayo na, no? So number 8, the philosophy of Pinoy driver, the first come first serve dito. So kani, sa gaya din yung sumbagay ang mag-isip sa magkuyag. Yung sumbagay. So kung na, mindset na sa Pilipino, if ever who will come first, especially in parking lot, so he or she will reserve the parking lot. Then 9, on pedestrian. So whenever you are on the road or you are a driver, you must observe the right of way. If na stoplight, muagi ang mga commuters or the community or the people dapat makatagod ang way in order for them na di ka makabayad ko sa public bayad o makalilis ka in pedestrian lane. So the 9 is, the 10?
Last.
So the last is, they remember the international driving safety and reminders. So if ever you have the time, so basic na kani, first of all, before ka mag-drive, seat belt, then check sa engine, the hanging sa ligid. So basic parts or basic needs in order to drive safely. Also driver license. Yes, driver license, speed, or if ever you are not in legal age, you can have the unprofessional license or the student's license.